How to fix Chrome slow download speed. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to fix Chrome slow download speed. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, tap and hold onto the application itself. Then here click on app info. Then here wait for a few seconds. Then here on the bottom right corner you can see an option named uninstall data. Simply click onto it. Then here click on clear cache. Then click on OK. After that, check that if the speed is improved or not. If not, then simply again click on manage space. Here you can see there are many options. Simply click on clear all data and clear all the data on your Google Chrome. After that, you will simply need to re-log into your accounts in Google Chrome. So this was the easy fix to your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.